In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp IP Alerts. If you sell on Amazon, understanding IP Alerts is essential. IP stands for intellectual property, and in this context, it means the risk that a brand could file a complaint about your listing. When that happens, Amazon may remove your offer, and repeated issues can lead to warnings or even account suspension. That's why catching these risks early matters, and Selleramp makes it easy by surfacing them clearly in its alerts panel. Here's how to find and use it. Open the product you're researching on Amazon, then open Selleramp for that product. At the top section, you'll see the alerts panel. This is your quick snapshot of risk. It doesn't just show IP warnings, it also highlights whether the item is a private label product and flags hazmat considerations and any selling restrictions. All of that context helps you make a safer decision before you buy or list. When you're evaluating a product, make it a habit to focus on the IP alert and the private label indicator first. These are the strongest signals of potential intellectual property issues. A private label tag often means the brand owns and tightly controls the listing, which typically raises the chance of a complaint if unauthorized sellers jump on. Next, pay close attention to the color coding. Selleramp uses a stoplight system to keep the risk level clear at a glance. Green means safe, yellow means proceed with caution, and red means high risk. Treat yellow as a warning to slow down and look more closely at the details. Red is a strong indicator that the brand may act against third-party sellers, so consider it a significant risk. Now, interpreting what you see is straightforward. If the IP alert or the private label warning appears, assume the brand is actively protecting that listing. That raises the likelihood of a complaint and the possibility of listing removal. Selleramp is flagging these issues specifically to help you avoid problems before you purchase inventory or add your offer. To recap as you research, open the product, open Selleramp, check the alerts panel at the top, focus on IP and private label, and read the colors carefully. Use green, yellow, and red as your guide for risk tolerance, and remember that hazmat and restrictions in the same panel provide additional reasons to pause if they appear. With these habits, you can move faster while staying protected.